Here I have DOOGEE S80, and today I'm going to show you how to connect Xiaomi AirDots to headphones to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to get them out of the case for them to enter the pairing mode. Then you just have to go to the Bluetooth section, tap pair new device, and after you see these headphones in the available devices, just tap on them. And after a few seconds they will be connected. So if you want to disconnect from them, just tap on the gear icon here and then tap forget. And after that, this device will be disconnected forever. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.